Okay, so this is Fred's case. In the process of cleaning a little bit. There's a little pitting right there.
Oh, that's factory.
That's factory pitting. Factory big gouge right there in the hole. Better make sure we got a good gasket on that. What else is screwed up with this thing?
Actually, it's...
I don't know. Look at that nice rough casting there.
Oh.
Yeah, this sunlight really screws with the camera. You can't see shit with it. So there's Fred's transmission gear set. Why don't you roll that door down a little bit? The light's killing me. There we go, that's good. Now I can see. Alright, there's Fred's transmission gears after we clean them all up. We haven't gone through it yet to make sure everything's good, but it doesn't look too bad so far. I don't like this case though, it's kind of crappy.
Nothing you can do about it.
Sure there is. It's called JB Weld. It's definitely got a nice pit in there. Yeah, a little bit of JB Weld right there, smooth it up. Take care of it. That way the gasket won't have to do all this work. Otherwise, when we put together, we'll have to put a little bit of 3-bond right here before we button it up. That'll work too. Oil pump surface looks good.
Run it through numerous times.
You got all the sand beat it out of the holes now?
Yeah.
So you find out why I told you to clean it again?
Yeah.
And how many times you blow up through that hole right there?
Well, 3 or 4 times. I'll blow
How
again.
many times are you getting crap out of here when you blew up that hole?
I don't know. I'll go check it again. Let's go check it.
Work on that. Or you go work on that. Gino just stole your thing.
Hey, go ahead, Fred.
He's cleaning his case out there. All right, back on the light.
Let's see. We put air in there.
You're gonna put air in there.
Yeah, shit come out of there. It appears that it's going back in.
Hold on.
A lot of stuff coming
So it
out of
appears that Fred did not clean the case adequately because Gino got hit in the face over here.
You don't want to
With
ruin this
material.
face.
So when you blow through that hole with this long skinny tip, it blows out of that hole down in there because that's where it goes to.
Yeah.
And so you have to clean that out many times before you get no shit. So when you quit feeling crap coming up,
I was working on these here. Okay. I got to go back to the
you
drawing board
see
again.
the black crap coming out of right there?
Yeah.
You see all the black crap inside of that hole now? If you put your finger in there, I bet you it feels like sand and beads too. So Fred inadequately cleaned his case, even though it looked nice. So he's learning. Gino, on the other hand, he did a better job, but you can blow all your holes out. And the way that works is you put it into the hole, that's why it's skinny, and then it goes all the way to the bottom of the hole, then you blow out. And then it blows all the shit from the bottom of the hole outwards. Fred's on a coffee break. Coffee break. We did a little bit of blasting over here last night. At least I did because Fred went home and went to sleep. Because he was drunk and tired. After all that balancing we did last night. Now this is bearing full of beads because somebody blasted it.
You think we'll replace that bearing?
I need to just clean the crap out of it.
Clean the crap out of it and keep the bearing?
So this used to be all black and nasty looking. It appears that this is a 79 transmission, Fred.
Someone doing 79?
I'll be over 79. So it appears that they had some issues with the chain at one time. Yep. I noticed that I was cleaning it. It also dug through here a little bit, but that's okay. So this bike most likely it broke the chain.
Okay.
Oh, it was extremely loose. Even though it's low mileage, it still has some issues already. So there's the shifting mechanism after we blasted all the crap off of it. So we're going to have to fix that hole right there. You see all the wear in there. Here's the kicker cover.
Been pretty good shape.
Still feels a little gritty. Still feels a little bit of gritty. Yeah? a little tight.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Overall, it's pretty good shape. I don't know where all the other parts are. They disappeared. So, yeah, that's where we're at for now. Cleaning parts.
Inner primary.
Okay, there's Fred. He's back in his flip-flops.
Yep.
Okay, he's got how many hours of cleaning now?
Way too many.
Way too many. So he blew everything out. Now he's not counting all the hours I spent blasting it. That was for free last night. Actually, that was this morning before everybody got up. I was working till like about 2.
This looks good.
So we blasted all out.
We're gonna change that.
We're gonna probably change out the spur, even though it's still good. It's still good. We'll put a new seal on. The bearing's still good. So it's not too eaten up in here yet.
Okay.
It is eaten up, but not too bad.
We're not gonna leave the chain sloppy either.
This wasn't gonna be for you anyway. Some other non-suspecting citizen might get this bike.
Let's take
So if anybody wants a nice bike, Fred's taking offers. Anything over $50 is probably open for bids.
Hey.
75?
He's like, I only want to give you how much you want. So I told him what I wanted.
I think we're gonna put.
All I want is the engine and frame.
I think we're gonna put the cam in there.
He's like, I want the engine and frame. I want the engine and frame. I'm
So
like,
you got these all blown out now?
Yeah, everything's fine. There's
Ooh, there's the good part.
These are sweet ass cases, man. All the threads
Gino
are good.
Actually blew all that dirt in Gino's eye.
Hey. All right, we bringing this over, or we're just working on the crank? Leave this here.
Well, it depends on how late you want to work tonight.
No, I'm not working late.
Because I'll have to hone that case before we put the crank in there.
All right, let's go. Let's
There's
work
the
on these.
flywheels there.
Get up. Let's go.
All right, we got work to do.
Get up. Okay, here we go.
Fred wants to go home, but I said he can't leave.
I can't leave until we get this together.
I have to work on his crank first.
Hey, all right, Gino.
That was in tune. That's what his motor's going to sound like when it's running. All right, so what year is this piece of crap?
79.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Late 79. There's
Late
a
79.
There's a difference. Okay.
Fix.
Did you clean these?
I didn't clean those. I haven't even touched those.
You didn't do anything?
I haven't done
You're
anything.
good to go there.
What have you done? You were working on them last night.
I don't know. I don't care. It's not my bike.
You do care.
Oh, this has a big sprocket shaft, and I can't put the crank pin in right now. I got to do the sprocket shaft.
Oh, what?
This thing. Oh, yeah, that was that one Fred
Dinged.
fixed up real nice when he took the nut off. I remember that. I think there might have been some video evidence of that, maybe.
Did I spun it too fast?
No, that you didn't stop it once you got it off.
Right.
You have to use that tool there to do that.
That's my fault. That's my fault.
Again.
Again.
That's okay. We're here to...
We learn by our lessons.
Did you learn anything yet?
No.
I don't think so. Okay, well this is going to be a locking nut because it's got an interference fit now. Now there's no key on this. You want to make sure it fits in there decently.
Okay.
See how nice it stayed in there?
Just fell right out.
Yeah. Now you could lap this in, or you just tighten the piss out and don't worry about the lapping part.
Right. And put some really strong glue.
I possibly might tighten it up a little bit more than stock. What's factory torque on this?
You never tighten anything up more than stock, do you?
I don't. I just did a twin cam, or I did a twin. I just did an Evo crank, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Gina, did I ever tighten anything on your crank? That was your answer? Jeez. We're not have barking spiders like yesterday. That does not fit on this one.
That's the wrong
Let's go
one.
on this
You want
one.
that one.
Very important that you
Tubes.
don't mix those up.
Yep.
Okay, now this one goes on here. Let's see how you got to make sure the nut's halfway straight. That means at least have it on straight. Now, who's going to be the victim that's going to hold that while I hit this with a zip gun?
I'll hold it.
No, you screwed it up. You just screwed it up.
Oh, we have so much fun.
Now this might impact a little bit of wear on my hand because someone screwed the threads up. There's
Right.
no key. So that means it might hurt. threads are a little tight, Fred.
The hell? Wow. Still ain't tight.
I'm getting tired.
You want me to hold it?
No, I'm holding it.
All right.
I don't know if you got enough grip to hold it. It's getting close.
Still ain't. Wow. I guess you don't want to really screw those threads up when you take the...
Oh, is that the problem? I think we're just doing it at a socket. We're almost there. Hey,
Stop vibrating.
it finally got tight. Oh, my arm feels great today. Not that you think I was holding on to that or anything, but...
Man, you just destroyed that. Ouch. Oh, made a mess of that.
That was
rag.
my brand new rag, Fred.
Your favorite rag.
It was my favorite one,
Your
too.
favorite rag has been destroyed.
But I still have all my meat. In case you think I wasn't holding on to that.
No, you were. You had the kung fu, serious kung fu, G.I. Joe kung fu grip on it.
That was my left hand, too. Just think if I had a right hand on there. Yeah, that's got a little vibration going up. So between that big lead hammer earlier and that, I've got a nice feeling going in that arm right now. Okay, now we can go torque it, because obviously that's no torque on it yet.
Right. You need the socket, or you got?
Oh, I got some tools for doing that, yeah.
Okay. Leave this here. Here we go. Yep.
Oh, what's up with my arm? What's up with my arm?
Well, it's going numb. Kind of like my
No,
back.
it's not numb. It's a different feeling than numb.
Is it?
Okay.
So,
That over there. So you got a strong area there.
Yep. Tighten her down. Yep.
We're gonna need those.
That's what the socket sits on. And big wrench. Big
Torque
torque
wrench.
wrench.
One slightly modified socket. Does it look modified?
Yeah, only a little bit.
Only a little.
Oh, I can lean over.
What size socket does it have? Afraid you want a little drink?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be one of
Yeah.
these. What do you want?
Whatever you get.
Coke or
Diet Pepsi.
Ken, you want some hot 7-Up?
Yeah, sure. Hot 7-Up works sounds good to me.
You want 7-Up?
I don't care.
He doesn't care.
You want light 7-Up?
I drank yesterday. We don't need anything today. I care. Yeah.
Let me come around here. I'll show you the side.
How many foot pounds are we going to use, Fred?
300.
I usually need a bigger socket than this, but that's because I haven't torqued this down yet.
Yep. There you go. I love it. He spreads the freaking bars
There,
apart.
that just fits on there.
Yeah.
Now that's our support. You know what's the support for?
So you can really crank on it.
Okay, how much was that?
Oh, I missed it. Here we go. You gotta see this from this side. He just pulls on this bad boy. Here we go. Get everything lined up. Ready to roll.
Socket half spin put. Need a bigger socket.
Bigger socket.
Next one up. Next one up. Ready?
Yep.
What number are we on?
Well, you're on 200. Oh. Whoa. 650.
When it bottomed out?
Yep.
Or
When, it's,
when it got tight?
when you bottomed out.
What's that?
650. 7. Got the 7.
Going right to there.
What?
You're just as bad as you can't read.
Oh, 5. Inside.
Dumbasses.
Oh. So
Where do you live?
Huh?
Do you live in Mr. Newton meter or do you live in foot pound? I live in foot pound. I don't know anything about Mr. Newton.
Mr. Newton.
Mr. Newton is, don't know anything about Mr. Newton. I've heard of a fig
Well,
Newton.
why would they make the damn thing back asswards then?
I've heard of a fig Newton once. Okay. Now, how much torque we use on that?
It was 500.
500. Okay.
Yeah. Got it right this time.
What was factory?
Uh,
Now that's why you don't use a Harbor Freight socket. You use a Proto
yeah.
6-point impact socket.
Yeah.
Then you cut everything away.
And then you can actually tighten her down.
That way you can actually torque it down. I'll
Okay.
get the other one.
What is that one for?
What's this one? This one is a snap-on.
Snap off.
Somebody defaced it. Purely by accident, I'm sure. Now these are 2-piece wheels, so we have to have another socket for the other side.
We never modify anything, do we?
This one here is one of Dad's sockets, so it's an SK, my favorite. I like SK.
We saw SK at
Okay.
Cinema, didn't we?
Now the flywheel did not split in half yet.
Well, that's good.
I'm thinking this might be tight.
Really? No kidding.
And the bad threads are really making it good. Now we might be off by 100 pounds because the threads are a little bad, but that means we're only 400 foot-pounds instead of 500.
I have a feeling that probably is close enough.
You didn't look up the torque spec in the Harley book, did you?